In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Udemy subscription. A Udemy subscription gives you access to a selected collection of courses for a recurring fee, instead of buying each course one by one. This can be useful if you want to learn regularly, explore multiple topics, or improve your skills over time. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app and sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, create one using your email address, Google, Apple, or another available sign-in option. Next, look for Udemy's subscription options. Depending on your country and account, you may see plans such as personal plan or other subscription offers. You can usually find them from the Udemy homepage, your account menu, course pages, or subscription-related banners. Open the subscription page and review what is included. Check the course catalog, monthly or annual price, billing terms, free trial availability, and cancellation policy. Make sure the courses you want are included in the subscription before you continue. After reviewing the plan, click Start Subscription, try for free, or subscribe, depending on the options shown on your screen. Next, enter your payment details. Udemy may accept payment methods such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other options depending on your region. If a free trial is offered, you may still need to add a payment method before starting. Before confirming, review the total cost, billing date, and plan details carefully. Once everything looks correct, click the Final Confirmation button to complete your subscription. After the subscription is active, go to your learning area and start browsing the included courses. You can enroll in eligible courses, continue lessons, and track your progress from your Udemy account. Remember, a subscription renews automatically unless you cancel it before the next billing date. You can manage or cancel your subscription from your account settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.